Yo, what up guys? Welcome back, Infinite Nerdism. Hope you enjoyed the double Poptopia unboxing I did. But now, box of fun time, box of fun time. I've been waiting for this. Didn't get a shipping confirmation until almost a week after. And I was just like very impatient. I was worried that my order slipped through the cracks. And I've been waiting on it. I don't have any Freddy Funkos whatsoever. So these are my first Freddy Funkos, which is cool. So either way, I gained something. I was not expecting to order these. I saw these last minute. Somebody in my Facebook group posted it. I thought, what the hell? I didn't think nothing of it, and then they sold out. So when they sold out, and then you see eBay flipping them for like 400 bucks, you're like, what the hell, right? Like, what's going on? So I've seen a lot of these unboxing videos. They show you these, the up close stuff. If it ain't Funko, it ain't fun, that kind of thing. Class of 98, is that what it says? Of course, yeah, the anniversary, 20th anniversary. Funko, Freddy Rules, Hawkins Elementary, of course, Stranger Things, Fanatics Forever, I love the 80s, this Your Pal Freddy, Little Leather, Hugs Not Drugs, of course, Remember, that's funny, 20 years of fun. So let's open this up. So I'm going to do it like this, just like the mystery boxes. I'm going to open them up, and I'm not going to look, I'm going to take them out one at a time, opening it here, I can't see, so I'm going to reach for the top one, or do you have to like, hold on. I'm not going to cut away in this video, that way you don't think I saw them first. I'm just trying to, there we go. So, first one is going to be, ooh, so they're upside down. Chrome Freddy Funko. It is like the, what color would you call this? Like a peach chrome? I don't know. It is a 1,000 piece though. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna reach for the middle one because usually the middle one is the one people, you know what I'm talking about. Everybody wants that Pennywise. So I'm gonna reach for this top one, and let's go here, and boom. Cool. So it is, the black one looks cool though, but this is the 2,000 piece astronaut Freddy. That's pretty cool. So we got a 2,000 piece and a 1,000 piece. What is in store for the last one? Any guesses? Pennywise, Yoda. Cross my fingers for Yoda. Still haven't opened it. It's right here. So let's go. The nerves is killing me. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, bam. Oh, I got him. Yes, this is the one I wanted. 4,000 piece Pennywise. This is great. I couldn't ask for any more. Holy, I can't believe I got him. Just give me one second. That Yoda would have been cool, but Pennywise, boy. There we go. So here we go. Pennywise, the green and purple astronaut Freddy Funko, and then let's just say the peach chrome Freddy Funko, the 1,000 piece. Wow, it's a lot to take in for me. Follow me on Instagram at Infinite Nerdism down here. Until next time, guys. Remember, we all float down here. Take care of yourself. If it ain't fun, it ain't Funko. Have a good one.